Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to set up a subdomain to use with our ClickFunnels account. Now one of the things you'll notice is that ClickFunnels will work with several different domain registrars. And to find yours in particular, it's a good idea to go to their support tab, then to type in the word domains. You'll typically see a search result, and what you can do is you can look to the domains integrations support article. In this case, what you'll see is that there is a support article on GoDaddy. And so you can look for your individual registrar, or you can work through the GoDaddy registration to determine if it will work for you. What we're going to do first is go to our registrar, which in this case is going to be GoDaddy. And once we are inside of the DNS, we are going to set up a CNAME record. We are going to give the host a name of our choosing, and we're going to point to a ClickFunnels domain. Now, as of the recording of this video, we are going to place the domain in targets.clickfunnels.com. What we are then going to do is click Save. We are then going to come back to ClickFunnels and add in our external custom domain. We're then going to click the Add New Domain button. We're going to add an existing domain. You're then going to want to write in your subdomain. You'll then click Add Domain. You'll then click I've done this step. ClickFunnels will then show you that your subdomain is now connected and ready to use. You'll then want to go to your menu and click Domains once again. You'll see then that your subdomain should then be verified. What you'll want to do is click inside of your domain. You'll then see that you're going to have set up a default page. Now currently, if you don't have any pages set up, you'll be showing the ClickFunnels home page. What you'll want to do is to set up a page where you'll want to have visitors sent if they click on your subdomain all by itself. You'll also notice that there is a 404 error page that you can designate where this actually goes. Now you can set up so that your subdomain uses SSL. What you'll do then is you'll then click Add SSL. ClickFunnels will then initiate the process for your SSL to be set up. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.